Hey coin collectors, it's DC on the Big D Coin Channel. We have the 1971 Lincoln 1 cent coin. We have 3 of them here. We actually have 4 of them here, and there's a reason for that. And that is because at the San Francisco Mint in 1971, they made general circulating coins and they made proof coins. So this is the proof coin from San Francisco from 1971. They also made these at the Denver Mint and the Philadelphia Mint. So when you're trying to get a full set of these, make sure you try to get all 4 of the coins. So let's start with the Denver one right here. All 4 of these coins can get you into the thousands of dollars if you have the right version of them. This Denver Mint coin, they made 2.9 billion of them. And at an MS65, it's worth $22. An MS67, $275. But at a Heritage auction, they've sold them for up to $1,380. It says "In God We Trust" around the top. It says Liberty here, and you can see that this one has some real wear marks on it. This is still a brass coin. They hadn't gone to zinc yet, so it's 95% copper, 5% zinc or tin. We tip it up on the edge and we see that it's a smooth edge coin. And we get to the back and we see that it's a Lincoln Memorial reverse. This was way before they put the shield reverse on that we presently have. United States of America, E Pluribus Unum, 1 cent here. Way over on the side there should be some initials, FG, you can barely see them. And way down in the center you should be able to see Lincoln sitting in the Georgia marble chair in the Lincoln Memorial, and you can just barely see him there. If you want to get a valuable version of this coin, it's going to have to be in very, very good shape, MS 66 or 67. At the Philadelphia Mint, they made 1.9 billion. So Denver was a big mint in 1971. For the Philadelphia coins, a Mint State 65 is worth $22, and a Mint State 67 Plus, that's the highest they've ever graded, is worth $4,600. They also have 5 double die obverse varieties where they have doubling on the letters on the front. And those double die obverse varieties can get as high as $5,750, except that in 2007 one was sold for $10,925. At the San Francisco Mint, for the regular coins, they made 528 million. At a Mint State 65, it's worth $18. At a Mint State 67 Plus, it's worth $1,750. And the highest price for a general circulation San Francisco Mint coin from 1971 ever at auction is $4,500 in an eBay auction. Now, if you want to see one of the most expensive proof pennies ever in American history, you can simply look at the PCGS website. And you can see here on the site, it says this is a 1971 S 1 cent deep cameo proof. And you can just see how fantastic this coin is. Just total shiny around the outside. Lincoln pops right off the coin. All the letters pop off the coin. You can see the 1971 and the S. And then on the back of the coin, you can see the same thing. If you look down here, you'll see that it's a Proof 69 deep cameo. And if we back it up a little bit, you'll see all the information on it. Designer, Victor David Brenner. Frank Gasparo did the back. Victor David Brenner did the front. 3.22 million, 3.11 grams, 95% copper, 5% zinc. And then here's the big show right here. The auction record for this Proof 69 was in 2004 at Heritage Auctions, $17,250 for this coin here. And you can see why this coin would be so expensive, just because you almost never get a proof penny that's this good, and you never get up into the 17,000s with any proof coin unless there's something special about it or unless it's an error coin. If you look at the back of this one, we definitely will be able to see everything on the back. So you can see Lincoln way down in there sitting in the chair. You can see the FG over here really well. You can see all the lines in the roof. You can see the potted plants and stuff here. It says United States of America, 1 cent on this one. And these coins are still available in the proof sets. And if you get a proof set from 1971, one of the things that's going to be in it is the Eisenhower dollar. So look for those, because that's a great proof set. All right, well, that's all we have today from Big D Coin Channel. There is our regular San Francisco. There is our proof San Francisco. Here's the Philadelphia coin. And here is the Denver Mint coin. And if you were somehow able to get the most expensive one that had ever sold of all of these, you'd be talking somewhere around $30,000. Have a great day from Big D Coins.